Made it to Hondo, Texas for the Open Fire Meetup. This is my 3rd year doing this festival. You came last year, right?
I was here last year, yeah.
It's a lot bigger this year.
Yeah,
There's
huge.
so many people. But we got our own little booth set up right here. Rachel's slinging rubs and stickers and whatnot. And we're not cooking this year, which I'm very okay with, especially after pulling an all-nighter last year. But I'm a judge this year, which is great. You know, get to show up and eat all the food. But yeah, this place is packed out. This is an Al Fragoni event. If you haven't heard of it before, I'm sure we'll run into him. But judging's about to begin, so it's time to go eat some food.
Coming up.
The falifu, it's Samoan dish. Breadfruit, camas, bananas, cooked in coconut cream.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then green stuff there is a miso chimichurri. Yeah, it's
So good.
the best bite you'll have today.
What's the name of your spot?
Team MKC, Montana Knife Company.
Beautiful.
What's your restaurant?
Whiskey Smoke 808, Kaneohe, Hawaii.
We're gonna come visit you in Hawaii soon.
Dude, hit me up, man. Let's do it.
Yeah, we got it.
Good looking steak. Oh damn,
So good.
that's incredible.
Yep.
Gotta learn how to make that. How you doing?
I have a Wagyu.
Enjoy. If it's the best thing smoking, hang up on the box.
Are you ready to judge some barbecue?
Hey, brother, I'm ready to judge.
What's up first? Bacon jam?
Bacon jam, Midwest bacon jam.
All right, time to put on our judging hats.
Yes.
We landed on making this specific recipe because it's one of my most popular ones on the internet. Every time I make a version of this jalapeno popper smash burger, it goes crazy. Well, this is a smoked jalapeno popper smash burger. We smoked the beef at 180 to 200 for 30 minutes. It's Wagyu, Boots Creek Wagyu. Got a beautiful color on it. We went straight onto the griddle, ripping hot, treated just like any other smash burger. You know the Oklahoma style smash burger, onions thinly sliced, smashed in. Thinly sliced jalapenos done the same way. Smash them in, they get a little bit of char on the bottom. We also smoked the cream cheese with hardcore carnivore Texas jalapeno salt. Special twist on the top is we had the spicy Midwest fresh bacon jam, but we also mixed in some raspberry jam in with it as well. Hope you guys enjoyed as much as they have.
Awesome. That was a fantastic jalapeno popper smash burger. Might have to try to recreate that one. But now I think we're going off to Tagwood for the next food to be judged.
And my goal was to kind of flip it a little bit on its head, and as opposed to just doing like one piece of meat or one chicken wing or skirt steak with a chimichurri, just that one bite, I wanted a nice composed dish, right? I want you to taste 5 different components that are in that one bite you're gonna have today. So what we're bringing to you is a fire roasted whole ribeye. Butcher that up, and we're gonna serve that over top of a jalapeno cheddar grit, and we're doing a romesco on top of that, and then we're finishing up with a pineapple relish. Pineapples roasted on the tagwood, low and slow.
The mop sauce, all right? The mop sauce of Brother Man Matthews. That's what we're going for.
That steak was really good. Now we're at the Melinda's tent.
Judges, I'd like to start off by saying I have the privilege, honor, and blessing to be here with y'all today alongside my team, Team Melinda's. Truly an honor. I am Chuck Maddow, conductor of the Flavor Train. Beside me, our captain, Tony Ramirez, the leader. We got Sonny. We got Amari with the Ferrari. George Castillo. We got everybody helping. Strong Arm. We got Mike Mendoza. Matt, everybody out here. What I'm trying to tell y'all is we're a community. If we weren't out here cooking in Texas in front of all these people, we'd be at home doing it together. That's what this is about, bringing people together with food. As we grow in status, people start to notice what we're doing, social media, things like that. We're bringing it to real life. And now we're here to deliver a flavor bite that's gonna hit you in the mouth. We got the biggest rig out here we came to deliver. We smoked our wings, we threw them into the deep fryer in this beautiful TMG rig. The guy's been working all day long. They should be smoky, they should be crispy, delicious, and nutritious. I wanna take y'all upstairs so y'all can enjoy the vibe, and we're gonna serve you some damn good chicken wings. Before you dig in, I want all y'all to come up here and take in the view if you can, and then I'll let him explain this beautiful dish.
Present to you guys some TKO wings. So this is a flavor fusion from Melinda's. We use some Melinda's Chipotle sauce mixed with Melinda's Japanese barbecue sauce. And then the lumpia itself, so it's our take on the celery and carrots rolled into a lumpia with garlic, stir-fried and crispy, and then we have the peach punch dipping sauce.
It's no secret, I'm a big fan of chicken wings, and those were top notch. Now we're here at Guatemala. Let's see what they got.
I'm Belisa from Guatemala. Our team is Guatemala, but we are a bunch of friends from different countries. Like he's from El Salvador, she's from El Salvador, and Mexico over there. We decided to think of what meat are we gonna do, and we said, okay, pork. Pork is super important in Guatemala. It's known as a cheap meat, but you can do amazing things with that. And we decided, why don't we do something cool? Because over there we do cook in domes like that. So we said, let's do a porchetta. It's amazing, and no one is gonna have one. It's filled with natural herbs like rosemary, garlic, a zest of orange, and then we paired it with a sauce that is also a lot of garlic, onion on the grill, and then we put some pineapple. The flavors that we do eat in Guatemala, we mix them here. We never sit down, we never really put a dish. We eat with our hands around the fire. So this is what we tried to recreate this time. Like, so just grab with your hands, feel free, and enjoy.
That might be the most flavorful bite of pork I've ever had in my whole life. That was absolutely fantastic. And last up, we're at the Scrub Daddy tent, so let's see what they got for us.
So what we have is, again, the bottom sirloin flat meat, right? We have frijoles puercos, which is going to have a little bit of hot dog in it, some bacon, some chorizo for flavor. So it's going to give you that creamy texture. And then we have a roasted salsa verde that has avocado in it, some freshly boiled cilantro on side. If you like jalapeno, if you like radish, that's all there for you. If you like lime, if not, as is, it's going to hit the spot.
That taco was absolutely ridiculous. It had a flat meat steak in there, like a slice of it, and I was fully expecting it to just kind of pull out like a lot of these steak tacos tend to do, but it was the most tender piece of like medium rare beef I think I've ever had in my life. Absolutely incredible. But that concludes the judging. I'm getting pretty full, so I'm gonna head back to the Chud tent and see what the crew is up to. How's the wing?
That's a fantastic wing.
Right?
So much flavor.
Melinda's, man. Best sauce is out there.
So good.
They're getting a lot of votes. They might win. There's so many more people here than last year.
Yeah, this is intense.
Both cooking and in the crowd. I feel like this is gonna be one of those days where I lose my voice by the end. What are you guys doing? You guys out of food?
Yes, we are out of food. And we didn't win, so we're packing up and leaving and being sore losers.
So you're saying Jeremy dropped the ball again?
Well, you know, we're used to it at this point.
Where is Jeremy?
You just abandoned it.
Oh, there he is.
That's the problem.
Jeremy, how's Open Fire Meetup treating you this year?
Hot.
Yeah.
No, but it's always awesome because, like, being surrounded by like thousands of people who also love barbecue. You don't have to be a barbecue evangelist. They're there to be like, hey, what are you cooking? That's awesome. And yeah, everybody's having a great time because they're trying sample after sample. There's lots of booze. People are very happy. And despite it being warm, we got just awesome people. And Al is super cool and they set it up. And the only downside is you got people like Chud, you know, like walking by, bag tagging people. You know, you can't trust that guy. But other than that, it's been awesome.
Well, I came over to try your food, but
Bones.
No, you didn't.
No.
You were walking right by.
Stole like the last two samples. Those were like the last two.
They were not.
No, there were like 3 on the board. You took 2, and there was 1 left. I'm not kidding.
Really?
Yeah. That's fine. We cooked more samples than we were supposed to, so we're good.
there you go.
Yeah.
Beautiful, thank you. You ever had food from Uruguay before?
Guatemala?
That's what I said.
I don't think so. It was really good.
Nice and rich.
Yeah,
On a
very
hot
rich.
day.
I just got that, I don't know what sauce it is. Nice, cuts through that richness.
Is that Chef Twan from atbbq.com? What's up, buddy?
Hey, buddy.
How's the day been?
What's up, friends? It's been hot.
Very
and
hot.
And then hot.
And then a little bit of hot.
Yeah, especially right in front of the grill.
Yes, yes.
No, it's been good. Good food, good people, good time.
Is this your first Open Fire Meetup?
My first open fire. I'm stoked about it. Thanks to Al. Stoked to meet this guy for the first time.
I know, man.
We've been chatting for a while.
It's been like half a decade.
To give each other a hug. I mean, hug.
Yeah, right? Bring it in, buddy. Yeah, it's crazy that it took this long for us to cross paths.
I know. It is.
But thank you for the Yoder YS640 pellet smoker. Chef Tom from atbbq.com.
You're welcome.
Are you cooking on one today?
Nope.
Someone was telling me that pellets and propane is not allowed at the Open Fire Meetup.
Yeah.
Which makes sense if it's the Open Fire Meetup. But
Yeah, it's got to be open fire.
Are you all sold out for the day?
Yeah.
What's your dish today?
We did a chori pan.
Ooh.
So like a chorizo sausage on a bun with some garlic aioli and chimichurri.
Perfect.
And then we put hot Cheetos on top.
Of course. The Argentine way, right?
Yeah.
Those hot
Authentic.
Cheetos.
Super authentic. It is. We got an Argentinian right here.
There we go.
What's up?
He approves. And the other barbecue brand.
That's me. Chilies and smoke.
Yeah. Like and subscribe. Well, he's already got too many, so it's fine. I mean, like and subscribe to Chef Tom from atbbq.com.
You gotta stop doing it.
I will. One thing I've noticed about really good barbecue festivals is I often find myself on a golf cart.
Yeah.
Have you noticed that?
All the time.
Can't complain.
Nope. VIP treatment all the way.
All the way. Way better than walking in this heat. You kidding me?
Man.
It is
waiting
hot.
for this cold front to come through.
Tomorrow it's gonna drop like 30 degrees.
Only in Texas.
Jesus, you're stronger than you look, buddy. That's impressive. Where are you coming from?
Monterrey, Mexico, compadre.
Yeah.
There we are.
Fantastic food today. How long have I been cooking for?
4 hours? All day.
Yeah, that would take me at least 12.
Oh yeah.
How's Open Fire Fest 2025 been treating you so far?
Buddy, it's been an absolute dream. I've been a huge part of this since day one. So to finally place in the finals,
yeah,
like I'm on cloud
congrats on
nine,
that,
baby.
by the way.
Cloud nine, man.
I'm a little bummed out that I wasn't in charge of judging your booth because my buddy Ben, who was one of your judges, showed me the video of that poutine with the gravy going through the bone marrow bones.
Yeah, we absolutely sent it, man. We brought some crazy Canadians. We paired up with the best in Texas. We put the roots down on the ground in their backyard, and we absolutely sent it with that Canadian flair. It's grueling. You know how it is, man.
I know how it is, yeah.
I had boys from a kitchen in Cali working just the fryers, man.
Really?
Dutch ovens over the live fire.
I was going to say, this is the second place I've seen a live fire deep fryer.
That's it.
That scares the hell out of me.
Oh, buddy, it was literally like a nuclear bomb. And everyone was just, not enough fire, not enough fire.
Right.
It's like, let's go.
That's dedication, though,
We sent it so hard, and you know what? To finally place, man, amazing.
Congrats,
amazing.
man. And the final judgment's coming up here in like an hour or so, right?
That's it.
And
we're
Team
there.
Canada.
We're there, baby.
Yeah,
We're
Team
there.
Canada for the win. And I just tried some of this moose. How did you get moose here?
So, my man Rob Reinhardt actually shot that in Saskatchewan, and he was supposed to be at the American Royal.
Yeah.
And when I said, hey, you want to come down to the Texas Open Fire? He's like, you know what? Not only do I, but I got something special for you. He brought a hind quarter, drove it down.
That's crazy.
So that's...
The amount of exotic animals that I have yet to get on film here. There was that antelope or something that was shot on this property they cooked last night.
Just
They're
crazy.
cooking moose. Also, I'm loving the Canadians cooking moose, making poutine.
You got to do it.
Represent.
The moose knuckle poutine.
Yeah, there you go.
That's it. I was just ecstatic with that. So,
also, I'm not very well versed in moose.
Yes.
This is fantastic.
Thank you very much.
So,
man.
how'd you cook it?
So we smoked it on the Texas oak, and then we braised it down with a little bit of maple syrup to take that gamey edge off. We braised it all day long. The gravy had a full-on mirepoix, charred bones, the whole 9 yards, and then you got to do that canoe with the gravy at the very end. Cheese curds I smuggled in myself.
Yeah.
Got the stamp on the passport and everything, so we're mint, man. We're mint.
It's the amount of effort.
That's it.
The flavor. Keep killing it, buddy.
Cheers, bro, man. I appreciate you.
Where can we find you online?
Dark Side of the Grill. That's it. I'm everywhere. Dark Side of the Grill.
He literally is everywhere. It's exhausting to watch
That's
your
it, baby.
Instagram.
That's it, man. Catching sea turtles in Brazil.
Yeah.
Cooking in a volcano in Guatemala. Like, this is... And now we're here.
Yeah, I mean, that's what life's all about, right?
That's what life's all about.
Well, great to see you again, man.
Cheers, man. Thank you guys very much.
I'm going to eat the rest of this moose now.
Deadly.
Hello there.
That's pretty weird.
Eat it. So things are starting to wind down. The sun is finally going down, which is great. And the final judgment is about to take place. I was part of round 1 of judging where it broke down, like, I don't know how many teams are here, down to, I think, 5 or 6. And then the pro judges, like Malcolm Reed and Tuffy Stone and everyone else went around and tasted that. And now it's going to come down to number 1 for the judges' choice, and then there's the people's choice, because all day people had tokens and they were voting for their favorite dish. So we're going to see what happens.
Yep.
And we might have a couple of beers.
Oh no.
Chud box.
I'm so excited to see
Oops.
In third place for the people's choice, Team Argentina. Okay. In second place, Midwest Fresh. Get it up here. Let's go. Midwest Fresh, second place. Come on.
Coming in first place in the People's Choice.
Team Melinda's
I've been walking, baby.
Let's go.
Flavor pack and never lack.
feel?
It was amazing.
You look good with that trophy, buddy.
Thank you, man. It's my team's trophy.
Yeah, right. Fantastic wins, my friend.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Expected nothing less.
Thank you.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Boys, we solid, not salad. Solid, not salad.
Team Germany.
In second place, Espíritu Babuchero! Get out there, Marcos, see where it's at.
The 2025 Al Fragoni Open Fire Meetup Judges Choice Champion is Team Guatemala!
So, not to brag or anything, but the #1 people's choice was Melinda's hot sauce, which was judged by me, and I gave it quite high rankings. And the #1 judge's choice was Guatemala, which I also really liked and was also judged by yours truly.
So you like good food.
I'm just saying that the people that agreed with my judgments won. What? I'm just saying, for my first time judging a competition, I only judged 5 places. And of the 5, 2 of them won top spots. So I guess I've just got the best palate? Is that what we're taking away from this, Nick?
No. Yes. Yeah, we'll say that.
There we go. There we go. But I think that might be a wrap on Open Fire Meetup 2025. We're going to be hanging out for a little bit longer. We got to pack up our tent.
Yeah.
And usually this is where the party just gets started with live music. So if anything fun happens, I'll take you along for the ride. But if not, I'll see you back at my table in my backyard. Al Fragoni, fantastic event this year. Bigger, better than ever. How are you feeling at the end of the day?
I feel tired, exhausted, happy, impressed, very emotional, because this is something that we started 4 years ago with just 15 of us, and now it became this massive event. But the vibe, you know, the feeling, the passion is the same that when we are 15 people. So I don't have words.
How many countries, how many teams were here this year?
All right, we had 27 teams, and 6 of those teams were international, right?
Yeah.
7, sorry. But within the other teams, we have people from 25 different countries.
That's incredible.
All continents. We have some people from South Africa, New Zealand, Australia, Israel. That was insane.
It's mind-blowing how many people are just coming together to, you know, just cook food together and have a great time. And I've met so many people from so many different countries today.
Yeah.
So we're all coming together for a common goal. That's because of you, Al. Someone on stage said you're doing more for world peace than anyone else.
No, I wouldn't say that, because this is something that we created between everybody, right?
Yeah.
Because when people start saying yes, other people start saying yes, right? So I just have to do the phone call and you know, and organize a nice event that everybody has fun, right? And then the rest happen itself. Right?
Yeah. Well, congratulations, Al. This was, like I said, the biggest, best one yet. This is my 3rd one out of 4. You said.
Yeah.
Can't wait for next year, and appreciate what you're doing for the barbecue world, buddy.
Hey, I appreciate you for coming, man.
Anytime.
All right,
every time. And just like that, I have made it back home, and I gotta say, what an incredible event. So many people, so much good food, and so much different food too. You know, a lot of these barbecue events can get a bit repetitive with everyone bringing brisket or sausage, but this one had so much different food from all over the world. It was absolutely incredible. So much smoke in the air. Met a lot of really great people, and I am very full. But also, this is a social media barbecue event as opposed to a restaurant barbecue event. So out of the 3,000 people that showed up, I think I shook about 1,000 hands and took hundreds of photos, which is great. It's always fun to meet all you guys who watch these videos and support the channel, but it does make it difficult to film a video about a festival when you're chatting with people all day. So I apologize if this video was a little bit all over the place, but there was just so much more to see that I couldn't cover, especially because I was also judging the event. But I thought I'd show you at least what I got to experience and some of the food I got to eat. But honestly, it was such an amazing time. One of the better barbecue festivals I've ever been to. Can't wait till next year. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have my own team next year, if I'll be judging again, but either way, I'll be sure to be there. You should definitely come check it out, especially if you like eating really good food cooked with open fire, as I'm sure you all do. But all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that subscribe button. Let YouTube know by dropping a like on this video. If you were at the festival, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to say hi one more time. Big shout out to all the Team Chud members. Thank you for supporting this channel and allowing me to keep making all these videos. And until the next time I see you, please go cook something outside. Peace.